Axminster Deluxe. It's a very good system. So we're going to put some sanding sealer on here, and then we're going to spray black lacquer. So we're ready to spray. Now the only problem with this is I've got to wait at least 10 minutes. That's till it gets touch dry before I can do anything else. So I'm going to have to wait. Right, so the effect I'm going to go for today is using just white gloss, really, from a spray. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the lathe right down, probably to about 600. And I'm going to barely press this down. So it's literally going to spit, hopefully. That's the idea. Spit onto here, and then we're going to speed it up and see what happens. Cool, so we're going to spin that up and see what happens.